A guide on utilizing vinegar for home cleaning tasks. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. As a mild acid, vinegar is a decent solution for cleaning at home. You can potentially use it to remove drain clogs, stains and do some general cleaning around the house. It makes for a good disinfectant and a nice green cleaning alternative to all of the harsh cleaners out there. There are quite a few ways to make the most use of it. Number 1. Using vinegar as part of a cleaning solution. Vinegar can use as an all-purpose disinfectant. To make a useful disinfectant, you need only mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Use it on doorknobs, handles, kitchen hardware, glass surfaces, small appliances, and more. Vinegar can be used to clean floors. In a large bucket, mix 2 liters of water and half a cup of vinegar. Use a sponge or a mop to soak into the solution, wring it out and wipe the floor area. You can use it on tiles, counters and other surfaces around the house. Just make sure you use it on natural stone surfaces, as the acid in vinegar can eat away the material. Vinegar as an all-purpose cleaner. The idea behind an all-purpose cleaner with vinegar is to use it for many tasks around the house. Here is what you will need to make it. A cup of vinegar, 700 milliliters of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 10 drops of your favorite essential oil to counter the smell of vinegar. You can use it on things like walls, toys, blinds, countertops and other surfaces around your home. Vinegar as a stain remover. If you are faced with stains on carpets, drapes, upholstery or clothes, you can use vinegar. Combine 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of liquid laundry soap, and a cup of warm water in a spray bottle. As for hard surfaces, use 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap and 1 cup of water. Number 2. Vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda can be used to clean the bathroom. The bathroom often falls victim to soap scum, mildew, mineral deposits and other spoils. To address them, you can use vinegar. Simply sprinkle baking soda on the problem area, saturate a sponge with vinegar and scrub. If necessary, add more vinegar and baking soda. Rinse with clean water when you are done. Make a cleaning paste. Baking soda and vinegar make a nice cleaning paste, which is great for grime, dirt and carpet cleaning. It also makes a great solution against pet accidents, stovetop grease and other messy areas. Mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar with a 1/4 cup of baking soda until it foams. Apply a small amount of it to the area. Blot with a damp sponge and vacuum, if you are cleaning a carpet, to remove the baking soda particles. Number 3. Cleaning with straight vinegar. Vinegar used to remove clogs and mineral deposits. Straight vinegar is ideal for removing clogs and mineral deposits from shower heads. Simply fill a plastic bag with vinegar and tie it around the shower head. Leave it overnight and it will do its job just fine. Clean sticker residue. If your children have left a sticker on the wall, you will want to use vinegar to deal with the sticky residue. First, peel off the sticker and then apply vinegar to the area. It should loosen Till next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.